Hello here, welcome back to another video, Angels. As you can see, I'm back from the beach. Me and my best friend had a great time, even though we didn't bump into each other. We both went to the beach. Definitely go check her out. Her name is Leia Vlogs, and she is trying to get to 300 subscribers. So definitely go help her out. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing the squishy pet peeves. But before I get on with this video, I want to show you what I found at Dollar Tree. So these are usually $5 to $6 at Dollar General. This one's my favorite. It's Eeyore. They're little Zoom Zoom plushies. I have Eeyore, Stitch, Mickey Mouse, and Anna. So those were the things I wanted to show you guys. Let's go ahead without further ado and get on with this video. My number one pet peeve is when the people don't squish the squishy, they just show you it. It's like, I want to see it squished. My second pet peeve is when they squish the squishy not the right way, or when they do it aggressively. I mean, come on, chill. My third pet peeve is when the camera is shaky. My fourth pet peeve is when they barely squish the squishy, but it's like they could squish it just a little bit more for us to see it slow rising. My fifth pet peeve, and my last but not least one, is where they barely show it on the camera, but it's like they're not showing it all the way. I'll show you what I mean. That is going to be it for this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and tell me in the comments if you have any squishies. Bye guys! Which one did you see during the video? Did you see an ice cream cone? Some french fries? Or a unicorn pop in during the video? Let me know in the comments. Bye!